NEC 400.8 addresses the proper installation of conductors, stating that conductors shall not be installed in raceways, cable trays, enclosures, or other equipment where the conductors or insulation would be subject to physical damage or where the effectiveness of grounding paths would be adversely affected. A possible violation the inspector might be concerned with is that the extension cord from the main panel box to the floor receptacle could be subject to physical damage. This could include being stepped on, rolled over, or otherwise mishandled. Such actions can damage the conductors or insulation, potentially creating a shock or fire hazard. In addition, if the cord is damaged, the effectiveness of the grounding path could be compromised. This is because the cord may no longer provide a reliable connection to the electrical system's ground. Even though it is a temporary unit, the electrical code still applies for safety purposes. The inspector's concern is valid, especially in a high-traffic area. There are several solutions to mitigate these concerns. Firstly, consider using a raceway. This involves protecting the extension cord by installing it within a raceway, such as floor-mounted cable trays or wall-mounted conduit. Secondly, secure the cord. You should provide adequate support for the extension cord to prevent it from being moved or damaged. Thirdly, use a heavy-duty cord. Choose a cord that is rated for the intended use and is durable enough to withstand potential damage. Also, periodically inspect the cord. Routinely check the condition of the extension cord to identify any signs of damage or wear. Addressing these concerns helps ensure the safety of the kiosk installation and complies with the requirements of NEC 400.8. The key is to protect the cord from physical damage and ensure a reliable grounding path.